Hey there, Crystal Thompson here for Unity Stamp Company. Today I am playing with the amazing August 2020 card kit from Whit. Today we're doing some craft coloring and I can't wait to show you how easy it was to make this card using the contents of the kit. So we are going to begin by stamping our awesome stamp, the Succ-y Without You Whit Kit August 2020, and I have put some brown ink on this, and as you can see I am not using any acrylic blocks. This is such a big stamp, and with it being red rubber, it's so awesome. You get this awesome clean and crisp image, and I am loving it. I kind of put it cornered on my Kraft cardstocks. This is a great way to do some coloring with your Copics. I'm gonna have about 6 to 8 colors of Copics ready to go, and I'm going to speed up the process. So I'm going to start with a light pink. I believe this is R10, and I'm going to just do the edges of my succulent. Then I'm going to grab a light green, and this being sea green. So as you can see, you can totally color the Kraft cardstock with light Copic colors, and as you can see, even mixing pink and green really allow you to get the realistic look of these succulents. So one of the biggest tips I can give you when you're coloring succulents, what I did on this is that I actually went and looked at the beautiful paper included in the kit and looked at what the artist had done. And it's not copying, it's not plagiarizing. The paper is so beautiful, so if you hadn't had a chance to look at it, go check it out. It is so pretty, and I was like, you know what? Why would I reinvent the wheel? I'm just going to go grab those same colors, and as you can see, I'm not doing a ton of blending. This is very rough coloring, and doing about 2 tones per succulent. So I'm going to finish this up, and as you can see, I've missed a couple of spots, and I really love this image. I thought it was super pretty, and I was a bit scared of it when I saw it, to be honest with you, and then I realized that it's not bad. It has a lot of detail, which is of the stamp, but you don't have to color every detail, if that makes any sense. And last but not least, I'm going to add this awesome shadow to it, and look how pretty that is. Super quick. I believe that took me about 5 minutes to color, and I just sped it up for the purposes of the video because I wanted to show you a full process. Then we're going to grab the Hello, and this is from the Be Amazing wood flourishes, and they're included in the kit. This is such a cool kit, so we're not even going to have to stamp any further. We have that beautiful wood, and I'm loving this. We're going to grab some more Copics, and I thought it'd be really cool, instead of adding any further embellishment, just to embellish with Copic markers. So I'm going to add a little bit of the it's a brown kind of Kraft color marker, and I'm doing just little dots on that Hello. And guys, that does it for me. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial using the August 2020 Whit Kit, using the Succ-y Without You stamp set, and the awesome Be Amazing wood flourishes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day.